If there's one thing I wish I could go back and tell my 20-year-old self, it's this. Don't underestimate the power of chia seeds when it comes to shrinking your waistline and feeling your best. Seriously, I spent years trying every diet and fitness trend out there, but I had no idea that something as simple as these tiny seeds could make such a big difference. If only I'd known then what I know now, I could have saved myself a lot of frustration and maybe even a few inches around my belly. You might be thinking, chia seeds? Really? But trust me, it's not just another health fad or empty promise. There's real science behind why chia seeds are so effective for weight management and overall health. People everywhere are discovering how easy it is to add them to their daily routine and are genuinely surprised by the results. It's not about quick fixes or magic pills, it's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Let's break it down together and see why chia seeds deserve a spot in your kitchen. First off, chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with fiber, protein, healthy fats, and a range of vitamins and minerals. But what really sets them apart is their incredible fiber content. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains about 5 grams of fiber, which is a huge boost for your digestive system and your waistline. These tiny seeds might not look like much, but don't let their size fool you. When you add chia seeds to your meals, you're giving your body a powerful tool to help you feel full and satisfied for longer. The fiber in chia seeds expands in your stomach, which means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or overeat at your next meal. It's a simple trick that can make a big difference, especially if you're trying to cut back on calories and lose belly fat. Over time, increasing your fiber intake with chia seeds can lead to noticeable changes in your body. Studies have shown that people who eat more fiber tend to have less belly fat and a lower risk of chronic diseases. It's not about starving yourself or following extreme diets, it's about making smarter choices that support your goals. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a slimmer, healthier version of yourself, all because you made one small change to your daily routine. Here's another cool thing about chia seeds. When you soak them in water or any liquid, they absorb up to 12 times their weight and form a gel-like texture. This not only helps you feel fuller for longer, but it also slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, keeping your energy levels steady and your cravings in check. If you've ever struggled with late-night snacking or sudden hunger pangs, chia seeds can be a real game changer. So, how do you actually use chia seeds? It's super easy. Just add a tablespoon to your morning smoothie, sprinkle them over your yogurt or oatmeal, or even stir them into a glass of water or juice. You can get creative. Try making chia pudding, adding them to baked goods, or mixing them into your favorite salad dressing. The possibilities are endless, and it only takes a minute or two to give your meals a major nutritional upgrade. After you add chia seeds to your food or drink, just give it a good stir and let it sit for a few minutes. You'll notice the mixture thickens up, creating a satisfying belly-filling texture. This is your instant belly buster in action. It's a simple hack that can help you stay on track with your health goals, even on your busiest days. Of course, it's important to remember that real results take time. Don't expect to wake up with a flat stomach after just one day. Like any healthy habit, consistency is key. Track your progress. Be patient with yourself and celebrate the small victories along the way. Every healthy choice you make brings you one step closer to your goals. For the best results, pair your daily chia seed habit with other healthy lifestyle choices. Move your body regularly, whether it's jogging, walking, dancing or yoga, and focus on eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Chia seeds work best as part of a bigger picture of wellness. Think of chia seeds as your trusty sidekick on your health journey. They're not a miracle cure or a replacement for hard work, but they can give you the extra boost you need to stay motivated and see real results. Just like any superhero team, it's all about working together. Chia seeds plus healthy habits equals a winning combination. Are you ready to start seeing changes in your waistline and feeling more confident in your own skin? It all starts with one small step. Imagine the excitement of measuring your waist after a week or two and noticing real progress. That feeling of accomplishment is worth every effort. Challenge yourself to add chia seeds to your routine every day for just 1 week. Keep a journal, take photos, and pay attention to how you feel. You might be surprised by how much more energized, satisfied, and motivated you become. Sometimes the smallest changes can lead to the biggest transformations. Your future self will thank you for making this simple, healthy choice. Imagine looking back a month from now, feeling proud of your progress and grateful that you took action today. So go ahead, give chia seeds a shot and watch your waistline and your confidence shrink in the best way possible.